G'day everyone, how's it going? So yeah, it's been a while since I checked in. We're actually at our second villa. This one's on the borderline, well this one's technically in Seminyak, but it's on the borderline of Canggu as well. Only about 1 kilometre from our last villa. But yeah, we're actually packed up, my bags are just over here. And we're ready to head off to our next destination, which is a small beach town called Amed in the northeast of Bali. Shout outs to Khalil for the recommendation. So yeah, looking forward to that. It's meant to be a lot less touristy, lots of fun snorkeling to do, and you know, a few temples, waterfalls to check out and whatnot. So yeah, looking forward to checking out that. But I thought I'd take this quick opportunity just to show you around our villa here. Yeah, I'll give you a quick little tour of our spot. So we've got the kitchen behind me here. Beautiful kitchen. Nice wide open area with the whole island in the middle. And this opens up onto our living area. This is kind of the spot that me and Laura chill on most of the time. We've also got the dining room. This is where we have breakfast every morning. Of course, the pool, our favorite spot. Absolutely amazing, this pool. We've spent a lot of time in here. Nice garden area as well to hang out on. Also got another one of these like kind of sunbed things up the back here. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Over here is like a traditional little, I'm not even sure what it is, but this is the master bedroom. This is the one we've been staying in. There's also like another guest room here. And I'll take you for a bit of a, hey Laura, how's it going?
Hey, good.
You all packed up?
I'm packed up.
Ready to hit Amed?
Yes.
Yeah, all right, cool. Well, I'll show you the master bedroom. So this is it. Oh, so nice in here with the aircon. And yeah, master bedroom. Oh, master bed there. These guys open up, although we don't really open them up with the aircon on. What else have we got? In here's the bathroom. Oh, love a good bathroom. So big, nice sink. Yeah, the bathtub. Nice shower area. It's all a bit open too, as you can see. Like that's all open area there. Yeah, really nice spot. And there's also a third bedroom upstairs. When we got here, they said, you know, you can have your choice of bedrooms, of the 3 bedrooms. We ended up choosing that one because it just had a much bigger bathroom. Really nice bathroom, but I'll take you for a bit of a walk upstairs. Good little spot up here. We chilled a little bit over here. There's a beautiful little seat or chair or whatever, chill on. Overlooks the rest of the villa down here. No neighbours behind this side. There's like a bit of a creek running through there. And yeah, just as you can see, it's all green and lush over that side. In here's the 3rd bedroom. And there's also, each bedroom has its own like ensuite as well. Yeah, that's about it for this villa. Really nice 3 nights we spent here. It's been amazing. And yeah, just like the first villa, we've done not a great deal of touristy things, but just the way we like it. Just been relaxing. Yeah, I think maybe our lift has arrived, so we might be heading off now. I'll catch you guys in Amed. going, folks? We are currently in Amed, which is located on the northeast coastline of Bali here. Very quiet little beach village, perfect for relaxation. I'm actually sitting on the little balcony of our little room villa type thing, which is only, as you can see, a few meters away from the beach. But we decided today we are going snorkeling. About 7 kilometers south of here there is a small little Japanese fishing ship that's sunken. It's kind of like a sunken wreck that's apparently really nice to snorkel along. So we're gonna get ready and jump on the scooter and head on over there and go for a bit of a snorkel. So we made it to the beach where the Japanese fishing boat is, and lucky for us, it's literally only like 10 meters off the shoreline. So just out here where these 2 boys are, the 2 black boys, and there's another couple out there snorkeling at the moment. So yeah, don't have to swim far, and there's a lovely little restaurant here where you can have lunch and a beer afterwards. So we'll chuck on some snorkeling gear and get in the water.